Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute bowl of ice cream. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw the bowl like this. Then I'm going to draw 4 scoops of ice cream in it. On the top, I draw a delicious strawberry like this. And a wafer roll. Finally, I draw a cute face for our bowl of ice cream. I draw 2 cute eyes. Cheeks, and a smiling mouth. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the strawberry with red. And I use green for its stem. For the waffle, I use light brown and dark brown. I colored the ice cream balls, yellow for the vanilla. Brown for the chocolate. Pink for the strawberry. And orange for the mango. I use light purple for the bowl. And finally, I use this light red for the cheeks. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.